Hello and welcome back to my channel Norina with decor, your favorite spot. A big hello to my amazing audience. I'm so happy to see you here again. Thank you so much for clicking this video. I hope you are doing great today. So guys, if you are new to here and you like my videos, then please don't forget to like my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel, and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing upload. This channel is all about wooden craft for home decor ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. I love sharing your new ideas with you. Your support means a lot to me. In today's video I will show you the most beautiful, latest and trendy collection of wooden lamp design ideas for your living room and your bedroom. Let me enjoy today's wooden decor ideas video together. I hope you will find something useful today. Please give this video a like if you enjoy it. If you like any design, then please take the screenshot of it. And if you want to more home interior decoration ideas, so you can please visit my channel and also do try my amazing wooden ideas at your home. The best thing is that wooden decor never goes out of style. It makes your home feel peaceful, warm, and full of character. Try different shapes and round, square, or rustic edged. Each one tells a story. Don't be afraid. Let me know in the comment section what you like the most. If try any of these, please share a photo on your experience. Your support means a lot to me. It keeps me going and creating. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and please subscribe for more wooden every day. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification. Let's keep growing and learning together. You are not just a viewer, you are a part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I make this video with a lot of love for you. Stay with me till the end of the video so you don't miss any other amazing designs. This channel is all about wooden beauty and simple decor ideas. If you love wood style and creativity, you are on the right place. In today's video, I'm talking about wooden lamp designs for living room, for bedroom, and for kids' room ideas. Every piece of wood has a piece of story. Let's discover it together. I hope this video inspired you for your own space. Please give this video a like if you enjoy wooden art. Your support means help me create more for you. I love reading your comments. Keep them coming. Simple wooden can bring warm beauty to any home. Let's make your space more cozy and charming. Stay with me till the end. I have something lovely to show you on daily basis. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself and the people around you.